The story of the hare and the tortoise. In a vibrant forest filled with chattering creatures and rustling leaves, a boastful hare was always bragging about his speed to other animals. One day, the hare encountered the tortoise, a wise and patient creature, and began to mock him for his slow pace.
Slow and steady, more like slow and sleepy,
Laughed the hare. Tortoise, unfazed, replied,
Speed isn't everything, my friend. I may be slow, but I'm determined. How about a race to prove it?
Amused, the hare started laughing hysterically, but eventually agreed to the race, and the other animals in the forest gathered to watch this spectacle. A wise old fox, known for her fairness, was chosen to oversee the race. As the race began, the hare darted ahead, leaving the tortoise far behind. Confident of his inevitable victory, the hare decided to rest under a tree and soon fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise plodded along, steady and unwavering. However, as the tortoise was huffing and puffing, a young, curious squirrel, fascinated by the race, decided to join in on the fun. Unnoticed by the others, the squirrel started racing alongside the tortoise, chatting and encouraging him.
Hey there, Mr. Tortoise. You're doing great. Keep it up.
The squirrel cheered. The tortoise, delighted by the company, found new energy and continued with even more determination. Together, they passed the sleeping hare. As they neared the finishing line, the hare woke up and saw the tortoise and his unlikely ally approaching the end. The hare moaned,
Oh no, Mr. Slow's going to beat me in the race today. Everybody's going to mock me and laugh at me. If I lose to Slow, silly tortoise today, how on earth am I going to live in this forest?
He sprinted with all his might, but it was too late. The tortoise and the squirrel had already crossed the finish line together, to the cheers of the forest animals. The hare, out of breath and astonished, learned a valuable lesson that day, not only about underestimating others, but also about the power of friendship and support. From that day on, the hare, the tortoise and the squirrel became good friends, often racing together for fun, reminding all the animals in the forest that sometimes it's not just about winning, but about the journey and the friends we make along the way.